What's up, guys? Con here. So just bought this tool today. I haven't been on a Snap-on truck in about 6 months. My first time getting on the truck, the guy points this out to me and I had to buy it. So this is just an enhanced test light. It's going to show you power, ground, and the voltages at those points. So this is the tool in action. As you can see, you can measure voltage and check fuses really fast with this, as opposed to using a DMM or I don't know what else you would use to check fuses really fast, but this definitely works great for that. It'll show you the voltage at that fuse. With a test light, you could potentially be second guessing because I'm sure 8 volts could light a test light up. But with this, you know for sure you got 12 volts at the fuse and you can move on because it's been checked. So the other thing I thought was really cool was when it's green, it's basically showing you that this is a good ground. I have the alligator clip on the negative side of the battery, and I'm just going to random spots on the engine and checking for ground. And I think that's really great. You see right here, you can't really get a good ground because it's painted. Unpainted surfaces are always perfect for being good grounds. And well, that's it. That's my tool review for this. Go ahead and go to your local Snap-on guy and pick this up. I think it's a great addition to your toolbox. Definitely worth having.